Here today to talk about Jeff Sessions' decision to sue California over their sanctuary policies. This from Breitbart. Attorney General Jeff Sessions will speak Wednesday about his Department of Justice first of its kind lawsuit challenging the constitutionality of three of California sanctuary laws. Relying on both federal statutes and the U.S. Constitution's Supremacy Clause, DOJ will ask the U.S. District Court for the District of Eastern California to issue a preliminary injunction blocking the enforcement of these laws intended to protect illegal aliens by preventing cooperation with federal immigration enforcement. DOJ will also seek declaratory judgment that these laws are unconstitutional, preempted by federal immigration law when it files late Tuesday night. I don't need to go down the whole thing here, but there's an update at the top of this article by IAN MASON. It says DOJ filed its complaint motion for preliminary injunction and supporting exhibits shortly after 9 p.m. Eastern Tuesday. My problem with this is that during the Obama usurpation, it was a usurpation, and Jeff Sessions was part of Congress at that time, and he knows it. And so do all of his colleagues. But during those 8 years, when they were welcoming in, when Obama was being the Pied Piper and leading illegals over the border and busing them all over the country, states like Arizona, who were fighting against it, Joe Arpaio and others, were told that they cannot step in and step on the toes of federal government, because the federal government is the ultimate arbiter who is responsible for protecting our borders. So there's already precedent for Jeff Sessions to not sue California. Well, not saying he shouldn't sue to strike down the sanctuary laws. He should do that. But there's absolutely no reason whatsoever that Sessions doesn't order the arrests of sanctuary mayors, governors, and law enforcement. There's absolutely no reason. He's going around the issue. It's just the same old, just like ignoring the FISA memo and Mueller and refusing to appoint another special prosecutor and recusing himself from anything to do with Hillary. There's a reason Jeff Sessions is doing this stuff, why he's not using his full power. There's a reason why Congress, you'll see certain members of Congress coming out and talking about the FISA memo, and they tell you flat out all about who the actors were and and what they did to undermine the presidency. In other words, to overthrow the president of the United States. They were trying to stop Trump before he was president, all the way back to 2015 when he announced throughout his candidacy. And now, after he's won into the presidency, and they're still doing it today. Mueller's Uranium One is a direct, it's a reason for him to not be special prosecutor, but nobody will stand up. Nobody will tell Mueller to step down, make him step down. There's a reason. The reason is Barack Hussein Obama. Because the minute that they enter that realm and they bring Barack Obama into it, that opens another can of worms. That is how Barack Obama became president of the United States when he did not qualify.